Hey there, welcome to my kitchen and welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, stick around. Today we're gonna make Lazy Day lemon cheesecake. 4 ingredients and you're done. And nobody knows that it was just so easy. This recipe is an absolute no bake, no nothing. I mean, it's just easy and it's so good. It's so good. This is everything you're gonna need to make this dessert. I'm not kidding you. It is so simple, stupid. You're gonna need 2 cups of milk, 1 package of soft cream cheese, 1 lemon jello pudding mix, and a graham cracker crust. You're gonna need a bowl to mix it in and a blender. Now, a little 2-hand blender would be best, but this is what I got unless I pull out that KitchenAid. All right, the first thing you're gonna do is take your cream cheese. Now, you do need to have it softened. Don't you love child-proof packaging? There we go. Now we're gonna get that off of there. And then I'm gonna get a 1/2 cup of milk to start. It's 2 cups of milk for the recipe, but you're gonna start with a 1/2. The reason you're gonna start with a 1/2 is because if you don't, when you stick that mixer in there, you're gonna have a total mess. So we're just gonna start by mashing that cream cheese into that milk. There we go. We're just gonna get that in there like that. Just so we don't spatter. Now we're gonna put our lemon pudding in there. Okay, now we're going to get that other 1.5 cups of milk to make the total of 2. Okay, now this thing is really loud, so Randy's probably going to play some music while I do this. You do not want to over mix it, just till it's combined and starting to thicken, and then you stop. See what I mean about the spatter? Now at this point, what you want to do is just kind of go around the outside and see if you still got cream cheese. If you do, then mix it a little more. And I do, so we're going to give it just a little bit more mix. Okay, you want your cream cheese blended, but you want to make sure that you don't over mix it because sometimes that'll make it kind of go flat. You know? All right, now we're just gonna make sure, yep, I'm good. Now we're gonna take all that goodness, pour it in a pie shell. I'm going to try to make this look a little bit fuller. All right, there we go. Now it's looking right. Now I get to lick the spoon. Oh, y'all, that is so good. So good. Now all you need to do is get the lid, you know, that comes with your little pre-made pie crust, and set it on there and put it in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours and let it set really good. And there it is, your Lazy Day cheesecake.
Can't really eat the pie just yet because it's got to go in the fridge for a couple of hours, right? But I got something just as good.
He gets to lick the bowl.
Yeah, that's... That's really good.
Bye. I'll see you in the next video.